Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around for some more cleaning videos. Today I'm going to go ahead and do a whole house clean. Like I said previously in some of my videos, I want to try and do that more often rather than just cleaning one room or cleaning one section of my house. I'm going to start from top to bottom today. We got home a couple days ago and the house was spotlessly cleaned. Like, I did my one room a day, we left for vacation, and my house was just amazingly clean. And in the past 2 days, it has exploded with toys and suitcases and laundry and just stuff. And I cleaned out my fridge today because we were gone for the week, and then we went grocery shopping this morning, so I have a bunch of stuff to get taken care of in order to get my house ready for the weekend. It is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so the sun will be setting very soon. So I want to get as much done as I can in the next couple hours before bedtime and dinner and all that. So I'm going to take you guys along with me and get as much done as I possibly can. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and start in my bedroom with the laundry that my husband did the night previously. I'm going to put it away, unload my suitcase, and just clean up my room and give it a good wipe down.
It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do.
When I was watching the footage back, I realized that I didn't go into my master bathroom and show you guys what I was doing in there, nor that I cleaned it, because I didn't clean it, and I'm kind of annoyed with myself that I didn't go in there and clean it because it needed to be done. There was a few things out of place, the counters could have used a wipe down, but I just didn't do it. So I need to get a better habit of cleaning my master bathroom. The reason why I didn't clean my master bath is because I started vacuuming, and I started vacuuming my room, and then I was like, okay, I'm going to enter my hallway to walk to the next room. Why not vacuum that room? So I kind of have this feel of going ahead and, if I'm going to walk through it, clean it.
I've got my hands on your body.
For those that have been watching my videos from day one, have seen these wicker baskets full of clothes that I've had in Tennyson's room for so long. They are from her newborns all the way until her 3 months now. And today we went to the BX and we found a really good price on some after Christmas totes. I guess because they have green on them, they were discounted. So we went ahead and picked up 3 of them to go ahead and get started to put away her stuff. I would like to donate the clothes, but if our second child is a girl, it'd be really great to reuse them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them away in the totes and put them away for storage in hopes that I can reuse them if needed. I actually need to go through Tennyson's drawers now because she's starting to grow out of her 3 to 6 and moving into 6 to 9. And then that white basket of clothes is actually clean clothes. I wasn't aware of it at the time. They need to be folded and put away, so I figured I'd do that off camera.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire.
So the person who watched our house was honestly the sweetest. I ended up only having to go into the guest room to wipe down my desk because I had done my makeup previously and I had powder that I accidentally spilled all over the desk. So not all over, but a good majority. I needed to clean it up. But when we came home, he had washed all of his towels he used, all of Nash's towels, and even the linens on the bed, and had them folded and nicely ready for us. He even vacuumed our downstairs, and the house was just amazing when we came home. So I really didn't have much to do, but we had been here for 2 or 3 days, so I wanted to go ahead and give everything a good vacuuming. And then in the bathroom, he even cleaned the toilet before he left, and I'm pretty sure he probably wiped the counters down, but I wanted to give it a good wipe down, and I left everything the way it was in there. My daughter got truly spoiled during Christmas, and it has like taken over my living room. And I'm hoping that soon I can post a video of me and my husband redoing that one side of our living room into a playroom area. We started cleaning this living room, and my husband decided to help me, and it was actually fun to clean with him. Usually he's not home when I clean, so it was actually really fun to clean with him. We tackled it, and it was so much faster than just doing it by myself, like way faster. And I truly enjoyed actually cleaning with him. I didn't know that I was missing out on that.
So good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering our walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah. if I keep feeling like I'm missing something. Don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the tricks you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, leaving tight all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been.
So when I started videoing, it was 4:01 p.m. and I finished close to 6:30. I came up to my computer right after I filmed and my computer said 6:37. So it took me about 2.5 hours to do my whole house from top to bottom. I don't call that a bad task, and I don't know why I dread it so often, and I'm going to try my best to make sure that I do a whole house clean at least once a week or multiple times a week, where I actually touch every base, make sure every room is picked up, because it can be done. It doesn't take that long. I just need to do it and stop procrastinating, because it can be done. It's easier when my husband is home, but honestly, I can move Tennyson from room to room, and I think I can probably accomplish it. I make more excuses than I do put forth the work. So from here on out, I'm challenging myself to make sure to whole house clean once to 3 times a week, top to bottom or bottom to top. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing and sticking around for some more motivational videos, and I'll see you guys next time.